Some myths sound harmless, until they destroy your engine, ruin your transmission, and cut your car's lifespan in half. Today you'll learn 17 car myths that drivers still believe in 2025, and every single one of them can cost you thousands in repairs if you follow them. Let's get straight into it. Premium fuel makes any car run better. This is one of the biggest myths. Premium fuel only helps engines designed for high octane. If your car doesn't require it, you're just burning money, not improving performance or lifespan. You must warm up your car for 10 minutes. In modern cars, this actually hurts reliability. Long idling washes fuel into the oil, causing faster wear. The correct method? Start the car, wait 20 to 30 seconds, and drive gently. So, you've probably heard the claim, electric vehicles need no maintenance. Well, that's just plain wrong. Even electric vehicles require regular attention. They still need brake service, coolant changes, cabin filters, tire rotations, and battery conditioning. Ignoring these essential maintenance tasks can really destroy your vehicle's long-term reliability. Here's another one for you: changing oil. Too often is good. Many people think that more frequent oil changes mean better care for their car, but overchanging can actually damage threads, waste your hard-earned money, and sometimes even lead to overfilling. It's best to follow the manufacturer's recommended intervals, unless you're towing or driving hard. And then there's the myth: engine additives fix everything. The truth is, most additives do nothing at all. In fact, some can actually clog oil passages or damage seals. If your engine has problems, additives won't save it. Manual transmissions last forever. Manuals are tough, but they still need proper fluid changes. Many fail early because owners think the fluid lasts for life. It doesn't. You don't need to rotate tires. Ignoring rotations destroys suspension components, ruins handling, and causes irregular wear that cuts tire lifespan in half. Rotate every 5,000 to 7,000 miles. Transmission fluid should never be changed. This one destroys more cars than anything else. Mechanics sometimes say changing fluid will ruin the transmission, but the truth is the opposite. Old burned fluid kills transmissions faster than anything. Maintenance prevents failures. So, here's a common one. All oil filters are the same, but honestly, cheap filters let dirty oil circulate, and that can lead to premature wear inside your engine. Quality filters really do matter, especially if you've got a turbo engine under the hood. Another myth I hear all the time is, bigger wheels automatically improve performance. The truth is, oversized rims actually put extra strain on your suspension, lower your fuel economy, and can even destroy your wheel bearings over time. So, yeah, bigger isn't always better. And then there's the idea that high-mileage cars are always bad. But honestly, a well-maintained car with, say, 180,000 miles can be way more reliable than a neglected one with only 50,000. At the end of the day, maintenance history matters way more than just the mileage. You can use water instead of coolant. This myth destroys engines fast. Water boils too quickly, freezes too easily, and causes internal rust. Coolant is not optional. If the check engine light goes away, the problem is gone. Nope, the code still exists. The issue might be intermittent, and ignoring it usually leads to a bigger, more expensive repair. Battery problems mean you need a new battery. Not always. Loose terminals, corrosion, bad grounds, or alternator issues can mimic battery failure. Most people waste money replacing a healthy battery. Topping off fluids is enough. Some drivers think refilling coolant or oil solves everything, but honestly, topping off only hides leaks, it doesn't fix them, and ignoring leaks, well, that ruins engines. You know, some folks say, you can ignore small vibrations, but honestly, even tiny vibrations mean there's probably a tire, alignment, or suspension issue going on. If you ignore them, you're just asking for uneven wear, steering problems, and, yeah, some pretty expensive suspension failures down the road. A lot of people think maintenance is only needed when something breaks. But, honestly, this is the myth that destroys cars completely. Cars don't just fail all of a sudden, they fail slowly over time. Little problems pile up and turn into massive ones. Preventive maintenance is always cheaper than repairs. So, the truth is simple. Most car failures happen because drivers stick to old myths instead of real facts. If you avoid these 17 myths, keep up with your car's maintenance and just stay informed, you'll easily add years to your engine's life and save thousands on repairs. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which myth you believe before watching. More car reliability videos are coming soon. You definitely don't want to miss them.